Hello students, welcome back to the statistics class. Today we will work out problems under both discrete and continuous frequency. Two, three problems, very simple problems where you can understand the difference between the discrete and the continuous frequency. So we have already worked out the problems under discrete. So here is one more problem under discrete, okay, a little bit different. So I will explain you how to work out the problem. Okay. From the following paragraph, prepare a discrete frequency table with the number of letters present in the words. So what they have given is they have given a paragraph. Okay, this is one paragraph and there are various words. So we have to count each words. Okay, find how many letters are there in each words, convert it into the numbers, and then we have to find the discrete frequency table. Okay, the paragraph goes like this. Success in the examination confers no right to appointment unless government is satisfied after such inquiry as may be deemed necessary that the candidate is suitable for appointment to the public service. This is the paragraph that they have given. First thing you have to do is you have to find the number of letters that are there in each words. Okay, when you see the first letter, success, how many letters are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7. Okay, next letter, next word, that is in. How many letters are there? 2. So 2. Next letter, that is the, there are 3 letters. So it goes on. We have to count how many letters are there in each word. Okay, coming to the next word, examination. So if you count examination, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 letters. We have 11 letters. Next, confers. How many letters we can see? We have 7 letters. So you have to go on calculating, or you go on adding the numbers. You have to see how many number of letters are there in each word. So next word we have 2, 5, 2. Appointment we have 11 letters. Unless 6. Government we have 10 letters. 2. Satisfied we have 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. After we have 5. This we have 4. Inquiry we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 letters. 2, 3, 2. Deemed we have 6. Necessary we have 9. That we have 4. The we have 3. Candidates we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 letters. Is we have 2. Suitable we have 2, 4, 6, 8. 3. Appointment we have 11. Okay, or 2 we have 2. 3. Public we have 6 letters. Service we have 7 letters. So they have given the paragraph. You have to convert the paragraph. Okay, you have to count the number of letters in each word and convert to the variable. Okay, you have to convert the attribute into the variable. Now you have to focus only on the numbers. Okay, as they have asked us to find out discrete frequency table, it is, you have to see the highest value and the lowest value. Okay, if you see this numbers, which is the highest value, the upper limit, okay, I can write it as highest value. Okay, we have 2. Other than 2, we do not have less than 2. So lowest value is 2. Okay, and we have the highest value as 11. So 2 is the lowest value and 11 is the highest value. So we can write numbers, okay, number of letters from 2. We can start it from 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, we have from 2 we have till 11 letters we have. Okay, So next thing is we have to put the tally bars. Now how to put the tally bars? Focus on each word, each number. First one, 7, where it comes. Okay. 2. Next procedure is same as you were doing in the previous class. It won't change. Okay. 3. We have 3, 11. So here 11, 7. Okay, 7, 2, 5, 2, 11, 6, 10, 2, 9, 5, 4, 7, 2. So it is finished. So you put across. Okay. 3. Again we have 2. So leave a space and put once again. 6, 9, 4, 3, 9, 2, 8, 3, 11, 2, 3, 6, and 7. Okay. Once you finish putting the tally marks, we have to count the tally bars. Okay. So it is 5 plus 3, 8. We have 5 here. 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, and 3. Okay. When you add this, it should give you the total of, okay, the words that you have. How many words we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. We have 32 words. We have 32 words. That means when you add this, you should get total as 32. So the total is 32. That means you have to add all this. That is 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3. That will give you the total 32. That means your answer is correct. You have 32 words. That means your frequency total should be equal to the words that you have. So when you get a problem like this, what you have to do is when they give you in a paragraph, you have to first find how many number of letters are there in each word. Convert it into the variable and then you form a discrete frequency table. This is a homework problem for you all. I want you all to work out this problem. Okay, I have given a paragraph. And one more thing you have to remember is if they give you punctuation. Now when you say punctuation, what are this? This comma, full stop. Okay, all this will not be considered. All the punctuation marks will not be considered in this type of problems. Okay, you have to ignore the punctuation marks. So this is a homework problem. So I expect you all to work out this problem and find out the answer. Coming to the next problem. Following are the marks obtained by the students in a certain test. Prepare a frequency distribution with an interval of 10 marks each using inclusive class interval. So what type of class interval is this? Okay, it is a what type of distribution is this? This is a continuous frequency distribution. This is a continuous frequency distribution. How did you came to know? Because they have asked us to do in an inclusive class interval. Okay, and one more thing is they have asked us to make a class width, a class interval of 10 marks each. Okay, so if you see here, they have given us various values or variables here. Okay, they have given us various values. Okay, so first thing we have to see, you have to see the highest value and the lowest value of a given data. Okay, so if you see this table, okay, it is in a continuous frequency distribution, students. It is not a discrete here. Idu discrete method alla, this is a continuous frequency distribution table ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ. So first ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, first you have to see the lower limit. Okay, and also you have to see the upper limit. You have to see the lower limit and the upper limit. So if you see the data or the values that are given here, which is the lowest limit here, that is 12. 12 is the lower limit, and if you see the upper limit, I think it is around 69. After that there is no other number, so 69 is the upper limit. So what they have asked here is, you have to see the question properly. They have asked us to make a class interval. Okay, the class interval should be of the width size of 10 each, 10 marks each. Okay, and it should be in inclusive class interval. It should be in inclusive class interval. Okay, so when you say inclusive class interval, okay, I hope you know what is inclusive class interval now. So we will write here. Okay, solution. First thing what you have to do, first you find the lower limit and the upper limit, and see in the question what is the width size. Here the width should be 10 marks each. The class interval that you write should be 10 marks each. Okay, each class interval should consist of 10 numbers. Okay, so when you write, first thing in the first column we will write as class interval, because we consider the class interval in continuous frequency distribution. So the first column will be class interval. Second column and the third column will remain same. Second will be tally marks, and the third column will be frequency. Okay, that will be noted as F. Now we have to write the class interval. So when you say class interval, it will be like 0 to 9, 10 to 19. Why like this? Because they have asked us to write in the inclusive class. Now you have seen here, the class interval begins, value begins, okay, the lowest value that begins is from 12. Okay, so what we can do is, we can start it from 10. So there are numbers, we do not have less than 10. That means after less than 12 there are no numbers. But when we write a particular class, they have asked 10 marks each. Okay, even number alli ide, so now allindane start maduva. So we'll begin with 10. Okay, so 10 to 19. So from 10 to 19 we have 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So what is inclusive class? We include the both the lower limit as well as the upper limit. So when you count, okay, it should include the lower limit, that is from 10. You should count from 10, and it should include 19 as well. That means 10 numbers include both inclusive as well as the exclusive class. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That means we have the 10 numbers. So first class will be of 10 marks each, means the class interval should be of 10. Okay, the width of the class interval should be 10. Okay, so this we can take it as width here. Okay, so 10 to 19. So they have set as inclusive class. So the next class interval will be 20 to 29. So next will be 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, which is the upper limit, it is 69. So next will be 60 to 60. So this is the last class interval. So hope you understood. You should see which type of class interval they have, whether they have asked us our ಯಾವ class interval ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಾ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ. Okay, calculation means when you count the numbers, when they say 10, a particular class interval ಇದ್ದು width ಅಥವಾ size 10 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ numbers ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇರಬೇಕು. So it starts from 10. Okay, though the number, the lower limit is 12, you 10 in the start ಮಾಡಿ. That means if you use the lower, you have to consider 10 to 19. That should be 10 numbers. Okay, so the width is 10. Okay, after you write the class interval, next thing is you have to see the data that is given and accordingly put the tally bars. First one is 37, where the 37 comes, that is between 30 to 39. So put a tally mark here. Next one, 49. So when you say 49, it is here, 40 to 49. So it will be here. 54. 50 to 59. So 54 will be included in this class interval, that is from 50 to 59. So it was here. 51. 51 means, so it is from 50 to 59. So here 37. So 30 to 39. 15. So it includes in 10, between 10 to 19. So it will be here. Next is 12. Again it is from 10 to 19. 33. 33 from 30 to 39. It includes between 30 to 39. So it will be here. 23. 20 to 29. 25. 20 to 29. 18. Okay, 10 to 19. 35 from between 30 to 39. 33. So it again includes in 30 to 39. So cancel this. 42. 42 will be between 40 to 49. 45. It will be 40 to 49. 55. It will be in from 50 to 59. 69 will be here. 69. So last one. 53. Sorry, 63. It will include from 60 to 69. 46. It includes in 40 to 49. 29. It will include here 29. 18. It includes in 37. It includes in 30 to 39. 46 from 40 to 49. So cancel this. 59. So it is 50 to 59. This one. 29. So here 29. 35. Okay, 30 to 39. It includes in 30 to 39 class interval. 27 will be included from 20 to 29 class interval. So cancel. So 45. It includes in 40 to 49 class interval. 47. It again includes in 40 to 49. Last one is 65. That belongs to the last, that is 60 to 69. After you put the tally marks, now hope you understood how to put the tally marks. So 10 to 19 ಹೇಳುವಾಗ 10, 11, 12 ಎಲ್ಲ numbers ಇದೆ. So 10 ಇಂದ 19 ತನಕ ಯಾವ numbers ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು tally marks ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Okay, 20 to 29. Okay, ಇವಾಗ considering 20 ಮತ್ತು 29. Okay, ಅದರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ numbers ಗೆ ನಾವು tally marks ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ. After you finish putting the tally marks, we have to add each tally bars. Okay, so we have 4 here. We have 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is again 7. 4. And we have here 3. Okay, the total of this, okay, should be the total of the value, the data that is given here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ how many numbers are there here? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So we have total of 30. ನಮಗೆ 30 ಡೇಟಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 30 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 5, 4, 9. ಓಕೆ, 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 3s are 21. 21 plus 5, 4, 9. So it is 30. So n is equal to 30. Putting tally marks and finding the frequency is easy. The main thing is this, students. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ಅವರು ಕೇಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ತರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ತರ ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ವಿಡ್ತ್, ಆ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅವರು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈಚ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Following are the age, okay, in years of a school children of a lower primary school at Sandeep International School. They have given us the data. So how many values are there here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So we have total of 30 data, 30 values in there. Okay, so prepare a frequency table using inclusive class interval. Puna inclusive class interval with a width 3 years. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು ಆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದು 3 years ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 5. 5 ಗಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 5 ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ highest value ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? So highest value, if you see here 11, 13, after 13 any number, okay, we have 14. So 14 is the highest value. So highest value is 14. Okay, so now they have asked us to write the class interval in inclusive class, and also the width of that class should be 3 years. Okay, size ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು? So size 3 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ type of class? It is an inclusive type of class interval. Okay, so what we will do is we will write class interval. Before that you have to write a heading, that is formation or a table relating to inclusive class interval, okay, of the ages in school. Okay, so class interval tally marks and frequency, that is denoted as F. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೈಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 3 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಲೋವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಗಿನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 5. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 14. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು 5 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಸ್ 3. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅವರು 10 ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ 10 ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 9. ಓಕೆ, 10 to 19 ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವರು ಸೈಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3. ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುವ? ಲೋವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ remember this is an inclusive class. So when you inclusive class includes both the lower and the upper limit. So width ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು? 3. So 5, 6, 7. So 5 to 7. Okay, next will be 8, 9, 10. So 8 to 10, 11, 12, 13. So 11 to 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, which is the highest value? 14. So ನಮಗೆ 16 ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, hope you understood, students. Which is they have asked the size of the class interval as 3. So we can begin with the lower value itself. Okay, we can begin with the lower value itself. So it is an inclusive class. When you say inclusive class, it should include the lower limit as well as the upper limit. Okay, so when you see the class width should be 3, that means 5, 6, 7, 3 numbers. So 5 to 7. Next inclusive baruvaga 8, 9, 10. So it includes the lower as well as the upper limit. Now we will put the tally marks. First one, 12. It includes from 11 to 13. So 12 idara madhyadalli barutte. So 12. Next 5. So it is 5. So here. Next 13. So 11 to 13. So 13 is here. You can put it over. 12. So where is 12? 11 to 13. So it is between that. 10. Where is 10? We have 10 here. 11. Okay, here. 7. 5 to 7. Okay, here. 9. 8, 9, 10. 9 is between 8 to 10. So we can put it here. 6. We have 5, 6, 7. It is between 5 to 7. Okay. 10. We have from 11 to 13. Sorry, 8 to 10. So 10 is here. We can put here. Next 9. We have 5 to 7. Sorry, 9, 8, 9, 10. Between 8 to 10. 13 we have, it is here, so cancel this one. 5, okay, 5. 10, okay, 10 is here, so again this one. 7, okay, it is this one. 14, okay, 14 comes here, so here. 6 between 5 to 7, so here. 11, okay, 11 is here, okay. 13, it is again here in 11 to 13. 7 is between here 5 to 7. 9 will be from 8, 9, 10 in this. 8, okay, here. 11, 10. So you should know where how to put the tally marks, student. That is very important, okay. 12, okay, it is between 11 to 13, so it will be here. 13, okay, here. 9, we have 8, 9, 10, so okay, here. 6, we have 5, 6, and last number is 14, that is here. Okay, so now we will calculate the tally marks. That is 5 plus 3 is 8. We have 5 plus 5, 10. Again, we have 5 plus 5, 10, and we have 2. Okay, the total of this, the frequency, that is capital N, should be equal to the data that is given here. Okay, this should be equal to this. So 10 plus 10 is 20, 28 plus 2 is 30. So that means the answer is right. So you should know, you have to see first which class interval, either it is an inclusive or an exclusive class, and also you have to see the width. Okay, you have to see the width. Next problem. The ages in group years of 60%, they have given the data of 60% living in an apartment are as given below. Okay, they have given us the data here. They have given us the data. We have to prepare a frequency table by taking a class interval of width 10 each. ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈಜ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಸೈಜ್ 10 ಅಂದರೆ ಈಚ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ 10 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ inclusive class or an exclusive class. When they do not mention you anything, you have to consider as exclusive class. You consider it as exclusive class. If you consider inclusive class is not a problem, but you consider it as exclusive class interval. Okay, you can consider it as inclusive, but you better consider it as exclusive class interval. Again, the method is same. So first we have to see the lower value and the highest value. So if you see here, the data that is given, the lower value or the lower limit is 10. There is no number less than 10. Okay, and the upper limit is 59. 59. Okay, and the width in ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, it should be 10. Width ಅಂದ್ರೆ size ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದು 10 ಇರಬೇಕು. So first column we will write it as class interval. Okay, second is tally marks, and the third column is frequency. Okay, that is noted as F. So our ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, it is same. They have given us the data, okay, of 60 people. The total is 60. But they have asked us to prepare a frequency table by taking the class interval of width 10. Andre each class interval is the size 10 irbeku. So as the number begins from 10, okay, as the number begins from 10, we can take it from, okay, it begins from 10, so we can directly take it from 10 to 20. Okay, we are considering exclusive class. We are considering exclusive class. So now in maduva, okay, as the number begins from 10, so 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. ಯಾಕೆ 60 ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 59. okay, less than 60. So why did I take from 10? Because if I consider 0 to 10, okay, if I consider 0 to 10, okay, the 10th value is not included in that. Okay, it's included in the next class. It's not included in the above. It's included in this class. So we will begin from that number itself. Okay. So that from 10. So now illi consider ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So for example 20 ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 20 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 20 ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಟ್ when in the lower class. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. So we will work out this problem. Okay, so I hope you understood how to write the class interval. They have asked the size as 10. Okay, and we have considered it in the exclusive class. So we are taking from 10 to 20, 20 to exclusive class andre. Okay, the lower limit is considered, upper limit is not considered. Upper limit will be considered in the preceding class interval. Okay, so 30, first number is 30. 30 ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 30 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 30 ಇದೆ. So where you will put the tally marks? You are not putting in this, but you are considering it in this. We are taking as a lower limit. So tally marks will be here. Next, 45. So from between 40 to 45. Okay, 48 will be here in 40 to 50. 55, it is between this. 39, okay, 30 to 40 here. 25, okay, 20 to 30. 31 ಇದೆ. So 31, 30 to 40 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 12 ಇದೆ. So 10 to 20. 18 is there. So again it will come here. 21, so it will be here. 54 we have. So 54 will come here. 50 to 60. 59, so it is here. 51, okay, 51 is here. 33 we have. So 33. 43 we have. So 43. 40 we have, 44 we have. So 44, between 40 to 50. Okay, 10 we have. So it will be included here. 10. Okay, 38. Okay, 38 is here. So cancel. 19, it is here. 26, okay, it is here. 47, okay, 40 to 50. So cancel this. 35, it is 30 to 40. 37, again it is in 30 to 40. 41, okay, 41. 46 will be between 40 to 50. Okay, and so on. Okay, I'll not waste time here. So hope you understood how to put tally marks. Okay, I will just explain where to put. Okay, when it comes to 20, either you 20 ಇದೆ. Okay, you have to, it is a homework, you have to continue this as a homework. Okay, so hope you understood how to do this. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಇದೆ. When you say 20, whether you will put tally marks in this or this, you have to put tally marks in this, that is here. Okay, when it comes to 40 ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 40 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ. You are not considering this value. We are including the lower limit but not the upper limit. Okay, so ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 to 39 ತನಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. 40 ಬರುವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ. So this is a homework problem. Along with this you have a homework problem other two. Okay, so here ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, 48 out of 50. So total 50 data ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Form a frequency distribution with the class of 5 each. So class interval size ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು? Size new 5. So you can consider either an inclusive class or exclusive class. They have not mentioned which class, so you can consider any one of the class. Okay, next problem is, following are the marks obtained by 60 students in exam. Construct a frequency table of class interval 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. So it is an inclusive class interval. It is an inclusive class interval. So what you have to do, you have to frame a frequency distribution table based on your inclusive class. That means from 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು highest value ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Okay, till then you have to go on writing the class intervals, put the tally marks, make the frequency table, okay, and find the total of the frequency. That total should match with this 60. Okay, so these are the homework problem 1, 2. Complete this problem also 3. Okay, and here one problem 4. So these 4 are the homework problems for you. Please work it out. If any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. I will explain it once again. Thank you, students.